Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 2. How are you? I hope you will be all right and having fun at your home. Welcome to your English class. Open your OPE book, page number 26. Today we are going to study Unit 5. What's it made of? Here is Unit 5, Lesson 1. Listen and speak. Exercise A is read the story and answer the question. Dear students, we have to read this conversation very carefully and answer this question. This is conversation between Ali, Mummy and Fiza. They are talking about stories, bedtime stories. So let's read their conversation. Ali: Mummy, can you read us a bedtime story? Mummy: Of course. What kind of a story would you like? Ali: Can you tell us a fairy story tonight, please? Mummy: That's good idea. The Three Bears? Cinderella? Ali: No thanks. What's that story about the elves? Fiza: What are the elves? Mummy: There are little magic people like fairies. Ali: Isn't there a story about some elves and a hat maker? Mummy: Well, he doesn't make hats, he makes shoes. Are you thinking about the tale of the shoemaker and the elves? Ali: That's right. Tell us that one. Dear students, Ali wants to listen story of fairies. And his mummy told him that does he want to listen Three Bears or Cinderella story? Ali says, No, Mummy, tell me the story about the elves. Now what are the elves? Dear students, here is the word elf, and the plural is elves. Elves. Elves are just like spirits or angel-like creatures. They came to the earth and helped needy people. You can read here what is Mummy saying. They are little magic people like fairies. So elves can do magic. Dear students, elves जो होते हैं वो जादू करते हैं. छोटे छोटे होते हैं और उनको हैट पहनी हुई होती है और वो जब अपने हाथों से जादू करते हैं और हर चीज़ खुद ब खुद बन जाती है. इतने मज़े के होते हैं और पता है उनको अच्छी अच्छी चीज़ें, कलर्स और कलरफुल चीज़ें बहुत पसंद होती हैं. Dear students, now you have listened the conversation. Now read it again and underline the answer of this question, okay? Come to the exercise B, shapes. Ask and answer question about these shapes. But here we will read these shapes, okay? For example, what's the orange shape? It's a triangle. So let's read these shapes, okay? Green, it's a square. Orange, it's a triangle. Red, it's a circle. Blue, it's a rectangle. So this is the shape square, this is triangle, this is circle, this is rectangle. Now come to the exercise C. Write the correct words under the picture. Color the picture. Here are some pictures. First we have to write the correct words on these lines. Then we have to color these pictures. Okay. Now read the above words. A cheese sandwich. Where is cheese sandwich? Dear students, look at this. I have written. Here is number 4 is cheese sandwich. Number 5 is plastic calculator. Number 6 is glass dish. It's a plate and it has no color, so it will be white. Dear students, here is cheese sandwich. You can eat it. Its color is white. And this is a calculator. It's made up of plastic and its color is black. Dear students, now you have to write the names of above things on these lines from these words. So fill these lines from the above words and you have to color these pictures. This is yellow, this is brown and this is pink. This is black and this is white color this picture, and draw these shapes: square, triangle, circle and rectangle. Draw these shapes on a white page and color them very well, and write along the name. In your homework, you have to read this conversation very carefully and underline the difficult word. I have underlined 4 words like tails, shoemaker, elves and fairies. These are the new words. Shoemaker means who makes shoes or bend shoes. Okay? And elves, as you know that about elves, tale is the synonym of the story. Tale means any story. Okay? Underline more words and memo the spelling of these words and read the story and record your reading. Okay, now record your reading about this conversation very carefully. Okay.